so we have a fun unboxing to do today. Now, if you haven't seen my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box unboxing video, I will have it linked below. But after that video, I was so impressed with the products that I have received. I went back onto her website and noticed that there is a ton of other items that are somewhat new or brand new that I haven't tried out yet. So I made a small order and wanted to just show you guys what was inside. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. Now, I'm really impressed with the fact that they wrapped it up so nicely. And let me tell you, the shipping on this was so fast. I didn't even pay for like fast shipping, but it arrived so quickly. So let's just dig on in. Of course, you got this beautiful maroon colored tissue paper, and here are the items. I only grabbed up 3 things, and then of course the 2 samples, the magic cream and then the magic eye rescue. They didn't really have a lot to pick from, but these 2 are safe items that I know and have used and enjoyed, so grab these up. They'll be great for whenever I'm traveling. And then here are the items. Now, let me just pull them out. This might be the easiest way to show you guys everything. We have a skincare item, and then this giant palette right here, and a refill of her Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder. So let's go through, let's do this guy right here because this is a big one. This is the Airbrush bronzer. I went with shade medium, which is number 2. And from reading the reviews, they were saying that shade 1, which is more like a fair tone, is very, very fair. So I felt like shade 2 might be the best for me, even though the swatches online, you know, they look different on the computer versus in person. And then I will say the swatch here is quite dark. So I don't know how dark this is. Let's just go ahead and dive in. Then on the back of the box, it actually shows you how to apply the product, which I think is really great. I love whenever her items have step-by-step instructions. For example, her eyeshadow palettes, all of them have like a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 to get her look. But of course, you can always mix and match. So here is the palette. As you can see, it is quite big. So I am impressed with the size because you're getting bang for your buck. There also is this little tab right here, so you can actually get the refills and you never have to buy the component again. And I love that she's doing this with a lot of her products where you can buy the refills. Here is, see, this is so different. I wasn't expecting it to be this color. Whenever I look at the box, it looks really, really like orangey dark, but this is stunning. This is the perfect shade. I think this is gonna look beautiful on. You get a nice large mirror, as you can see, and yeah, it is a huge palette. Nice, perfect size. Very excited to try this out. I think I have a bronzing brush, so I will be working this onto my face in a moment. If not, I might need to order her bronzing brush because she does have some beautiful brushes available on her website. So first product down is a success. Then let's do the refill. So this is the first time I've ordered one of her refills. I know she does refills for the magic cream, she does refills for the bronzer and her lipstick bullets, but this is for the pressed powder. And I was really excited to get a refill of this because I love her pressed powder. I don't like the idea of having to just rebuy. I'd rather get just something simple like this that's better for the environment and easy to just pop in and go on to the next day with. So I went with shade 1 Fair, and I could probably do shade 2, but I wanted to just do shade 1 Fair because I will be using this through the rest of the winter months. And then whenever it comes to summer and I get a little bit more tan on my skin, I can get the next shade up. Now, this is interesting. They literally just put it in here like this with no wrapping or anything. I've never ordered, like I said, one of the refills. I didn't know how they really arrive, but it is just a disc palette, just like that. You just pop it in. So I am not 100% finished with the current one that's in its component yet, so I'm gonna hold on to this, but it's good to know that it's just literally like this, so you don't want to drop this and possibly risk breaking it. So I'm gonna store this nice and safe in a nice cool dry place as in my closet, and whenever it is time to use it, I will have it ready and available for me. So the last item is the Glow Toner by Charlotte Tilbury. Now in the Cyber Mystery Box, I received the makeup remover, which is just like the same exact packaging. I can imagine the bottle's gonna look very similar and be very pretty on the vanity together. And then of course I have her magic cream, her eye rescue cream. There's so many skincare products so that I didn't realize she had expanded her range so much more. So I might need to add a few more, but this is the one that I went with today because it just is something that I really truly needed on my vanity for my skincare routine. I do not have a toner at the moment, and wow, yeah, this is perfect. It looks just like the other one. Like, they're gonna look so beautiful side by side, and the lid is the silver with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is nice. I am gonna totally use this tonight. I wasn't expecting it to be this like creamy milky color, but all right, so I grabbed a couple things. Actually, look at how pretty these are gonna all be together. So this is what I received in the mystery cyber box. This is the take it all off makeup remover. And then you have your toner, which is so pretty side by side. And of course, magic cream. So I love how they all kind of have the same blended, like this has the nice rose gold font and the rose gold lid here. They just, it's gonna be stunning. It's gonna be stunning. But anyways, this is what I had ordered more or less, and I'm excited to try it all out. In the description box below will be links to all of these items, and I'll also have it linked up for Charlotte's website, Sephora, and Nordstrom. So I'm going to give you guys more options because I know certain websites do certain promos. So if you're interested in any of this stuff or want to see what other color options are available, I'll have it all linked up for you guys. And as always, don't forget to follow the other social media handles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye bye.